What's up, guys? And today we're going to be doing a video on, can you comment down below and guess what it is? The fidget spinner. You can do so many tricks with it. It's fun to play with. And so we're talking about what brand of this you should get. And it is definitely a major thing of what kind of brand you got. So if you go on eBay and look up fidget spinner, this one company, they have fidget cubes and fidget toys and everything. And when I remember what the company was called, I'll put something in this video, and you can like go to the subscription or something and go to the website and figure out what brand it is. So yeah, and comment down below if you've wanted a fidget spinner. I just got mine today, just came in the mail. So yep. 1, 3. Look, and then you can glide it off. Comment down below if you've ever watched Space Jam, because I just got finished watching it. It's a funny show. And comment down below what color fidget spinner you want. I'm gonna show you a little trick on this. It's glow in the dark, so there's no way I can show you that it's glow in the dark, but it is. Oh yeah, watch this. Okay, so if you get it perfectly, you can get it down like that. Oh, okay. Oops. 1, 3. Let me show you a little trick too. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like this. You can blow and it goes faster and faster, and it kind of just gives a little breeze like this, and it's cool to watch. It's really satisfying to do, like there. And on this you can do this, and it feels like a magnet. It's in your hand. So if you want a fidget spinner, I'll try to figure out what the I thought it was like Noble Spin. I'm not sure if that's it, but definitely a good brand if you're looking for them, except they're really expensive. They're like $20 for a Noble Spin, but the one I got was like $4, and it's a really nice brand. Oh, sorry guys, I just did this today. I got 2 teeth pulled and then 2 fillings in, so no, not really into a good mood, but make this video for y'all guys anyways. So, comment down below, again, what the next video should be about. Comment down below, too, if you wanted a spinner, and I will, put in the description, what the brand is, and maybe a link to it, to the website. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to leave a comment, hit the like button, and make sure you hit the post notifications and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy. Peace out.